Have you ever felt trapped by an investment platform? Like you're stuck in a financial labyrinth with no way out? Well, today, we're going to talk about one of the most common questions I get. How do I get all my money back from Stash? Stash is a popular investment app that has helped many people start their investing journey. But what happens when you're ready to cash out? Is it as easy as hitting a button? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Stash's withdrawal process. Account types. First, it's important to understand that Stash has different account types, each with its own withdrawal rules. Are you using a Stash Invest account, a Stash banking account, or both? Minimum withdrawal amounts. There are typically minimum withdrawal amounts, especially for smaller accounts. This is to cover the costs associated with processing the withdrawal. Withdrawal fees. Be aware of any potential withdrawal fees. While Stash might not charge a direct fee, there could be indirect costs, such as transaction fees from your bank. Step-by-step guide to withdrawing your funds. Log into your Stash account. The first step is to access your Stash account using your login credentials. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Look for a section labeled Withdraw, Cash Out, or something similar. It's usually located in the main menu or your account settings. Select the amount to withdraw. Choose the amount you want to withdraw from your account. Make sure it adheres to any minimum withdrawal requirements. Choose your withdrawal method. Stash typically offers a few options for withdrawing funds. This could include transferring money to your bank account, using a debit card, or writing a check. Provide necessary information. Depending on your chosen withdrawal method, you might need to provide additional information, such as your bank account details or mailing address. Confirm your withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal request and confirm it. Once you confirm, the withdrawal process will begin. Potential issues and troubleshooting. Withdrawal delays. Sometimes, withdrawals can take a few days to process. This is especially true for larger amounts or if there are additional security checks in place. Technical difficulties. If you encounter any technical problems during the withdrawal process, don't panic. Contact Stash's customer support for assistance. Tax implications. Be mindful of the tax implications of withdrawing your funds. Depending on your investment gains, you might need to pay capital gains tax. Alternative options. Selling investments directly. If you're looking for a more immediate way to access your funds, you might consider selling your individual investments directly. However, this can be more complex and might involve additional fees. Getting your money back from Stash is generally straightforward, but it's essential to understand the process and potential challenges. By following the steps outlined in this video and being prepared for any potential issues, you can confidently withdraw your funds and continue your financial journey. Have you had any experiences with withdrawing funds from Stash? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.